हाय फ्रेंड्स, क्या आपकी ग्रामर भी परफेक्ट है फिर भी इंग्लिश बोलते वक्त प्रॉब्लम होती है? Well, I will unveil some secrets today. And generally, grammar rules don't make you fluent altogether. So the idea is you don't need grammar books to speak altogether. But then what do you need is having ready-made sentence patterns. So दोस्तों, मैं आज आपके बीच वही इंट्रोड्यूस करना चाह रहा हूँ. English grammar thinking is subject plus verb plus object format. लेकिन in English, the usual sentence is always in order of subject, verb, object formulating. Subject यानी कर्ता, verb यानी क्रिया, object मतलब कर्म as such. So, for example, let's take an example here. I eat apples. But in Hindi, if you try to convert it and see the grammar rules, it is in order of subject, object, verb altogether. So in other words, we try to understand a subject, verb, object as in English. I eat apples is equal to subject, object, verb. मैं सेब खाता हूँ, जिसमें subject है मैं, object हो गया सेब यानी apples, and verb is खाता हूँ, which is eat. So what we try to understand from all this is as such. Notice that the verb comes at the end in Hindi. That's why speakers often need to adjust the word order when speaking English altogether. And if you want fluency, you have to learn some patterns, mere dosto. So today, pattern thinking could be like this as such. Example is, I want to, I need to, I am trying to as such. So once you have these patterns under concern, I want to learn English, let's say. I want to improve confidence. For example, I want to speak fluently is another example. So what happens is, in patterns, thinking just becomes more easier. You have to swap the words. Words to swap kariye. In other words, I just want to say that, remember, grammar is for exams, but what you need is patterns, which are for daily life speaking. In other words, so stop, I would say, memorize rules, which are just starting to participating or practicing as patterns. Dosto, what is happening is a pattern is ready-made sentence structure, and that can let you reuse by simply changing, jumbling, and adding up the words inside of your thinking process. Let's say, for example, grammar rules, every time if you follow, there would be always a fixed pattern, which makes you confusing. Since it is easy to remember, use patterns, and this would enhance confidence,